The sound J. How is the sound J pronounced?
It is pronounced J.
Can you say J?
J, 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 J.
Very good. The sound J has many different spellings. These include J, G, GE, and DGE. Now let's take a look at some examples of these different spellings.
J,
R,
jar,
gym,
nist,
gymnast,
p,
age,
page,
J,
j.
judge.
The sound J is voiced, meaning your vocal cords vibrate when producing the sound. The tip of your tongue starts at the roof of your mouth, then moves down, and the rest of your tongue stays at the lower part of your mouth when pronouncing the sound J. Arrow 1 points to the vocal cords, and arrow 2 points to the tongue. This paragraph contains many examples of the common English sound J.
The gymnast's day in court was near. She'd have to face a judge about her wrongdoings. Quick recap time.
The sound J has many different spellings and appears in many words.
It is pronounced J and is a very common sound in the English language.
Words like jar, gymnast, page, and judge all include the sound